Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have administrative access because many system queries require elevated rights. Once done, open Device Manager on Windows or a terminal on Mac OS/Linux. Make sure you can run simple commands. If you plan to inspect a desktop or server card physically, power down and have a screwdriver ready. This step verifies both software access and physical readiness, so you avoid interruptions later and can immediately identify the adapter without guessing or unnecessary teardown. Now you run the targeted commands to reveal exact model and identifiers. On Windows, look under Network Adapters in Device Manager, run ipconfig/all, or use PowerShell GetNet Adapter and GetNet Adapter Hardware Info. On Mac OS, open System Report or use ifconfig. On Linux, use lsbci or lsusp and IP editor to cross-check. Record vendor strings, model names, driver versions, and PCI/USB ID so you can match firmware or driver downloads. These details let you finish by verifying the model against manufacturer documentation and installing official drivers. This ensures reliable performance. If the adapter shows generic or unknown ID, look up PCI or USB ID to map vendor and model, or boot a live Linux USB to test recognition. If the device still fails, reinstall or roll back drivers, reseat the card or cable, and check BIOS or UEFI for disabled onboard networking. One key troubleshooting tip: swap ports or cables first to rule out simple physical faults before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.